Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Easy Craft Videos. I hope you all my viewers are fine. So guys, I am back the another beautiful collection related to the cakes decoration ideas, chocolate cake ideas, unique cake ideas, chocolate biscuit cake ideas. Look so amazing, look so delight and look so yummy. Birthday decoration cake ideas, wedding cake ideas, party cake ideas, cake decoration are looking so awesome. Watch my videos on daily basis. If you have any question, then ask me in comment box. And if you are new on my YouTube channel, then your first responsibility and your first duty to follow my YouTube channel as well as press the bell icon about my YouTube channel. So guys, Easy Craft Videos is one of the best platform that provides you the outstanding ideas of yummy cake ideas, Christmas cake ideas, Easter cake ideas, and only the ideas, not the making and not the tutorials, because you go to the shop, take a screenshot and give to shopkeeper and make the beautiful cake for your party and make the special day. So guys, very informative videos and very delight, and not the old designs and not the repeated designs. All are so creative, new and classy and beautiful. So watch my videos and beautiful chocolate cake ideas. Start chocolate cake with beautiful coffee cakes are looking yum and as well as very delight. Biscuit chocolate cake ideas, the cake looks so yum guys, and very beautiful, very simple and very elegant, and beautiful and ideas for chocolate cake decoration are available on my YouTube channel. So watch the video, to like the video and to share my video with your family and friends. In this collection you see the approximately 50 plus ideas, and 50 plus ideas are new for the birthday, for the anniversary, for the wedding, for the party. So watch the video, stay with me. The video is not stop, but watch the video. Take care and bye bye.